Hello, in German language the perfect tense is called das Perfekt. Das Perfekt. It's compound tense, and now we're going to take a look how to form it. The first thing you have to say to take sein oder haben. Sein oder haben. Sein is to be and haben is to have, plus the past participle. For the weak regular verbs, what do you have to do? We have to take verb stem, machen. Verb stem, mach. We have to add prefix ge and suffix te. Okay, gemacht. Okay, for the irregular, strong, stem changing verbs, you have to take infinitive form verb, lesen, and add prefix ge. Gelesen. The third, for the verbs that ending with ieren, like spazieren, reparieren, diskutieren, yeah, you have to take the verb, drop ieren ending, and add the suffix, like studiert. Studiert. See? And the fourth, for the weak regular verbs with separable prefix, like einkaufen, what do you have to say? What do you have to do? Take verb stem, kauf, add ge prefix, te suffix, and separable prefix you have to put on the first plate. Eingekauft. The next, for the strong irregular verbs with separable prefix, like anrufen, what do you have to do? Take the infinitive verb form, rufen, add prefix ge, and to put the separable prefix on the first place, angerufen. Okay, well, I think it's not easy to remember and to understand the first step. Well, it takes a while to remember all the things. Well, and the next question is, when should I use sein or haben? Well, in reality it's very easy. You should remember when you should use sein, and in the other cases you will be using have. When you have to use sein with the verbs sein, to be, passieren, bleiben und werden. And the next, with the verb that indicate movement, with the verbs with indicate movement and a change in a state, like awake, asleep, birth, death, und so weiter. Okay, well, the das Perfekt is not easy tense to understand, to remember at the first step. That is why I think it's the basic that you have to know about these tense. This is for today. Thank you for watching. To me. Have a nice day. Bye.